Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, like I said, we're going to be doing something different. It's going to be just a strictly departure only, so I'm just going to be showing the departure of this flight. But as you can see, we are in the Flight Factor A320 Ultimate. We've got the Sharklets on board with us today, and we're going to be taking it here from Palma de Mallorca. I don't know if I said that right. Up to London Gatwick. It's going to be about a 2.5-hour flight. And I'm just going to show the departure part of it. The plane is pretty much ready to go. I've got the flight plan in. We're just waiting on the IRSs to align. But we'll be pretty much getting our engine started up here. We're not going to need a pushback. We're just going to start them up right here on this remote stand. And then we'll jet on out and then make a left, head up, and taxi up over here because our departure runway is 25 right today. Or maybe it is 24. So it's just right up there. But yeah, we're just finishing up the fueling process here and loading up all the bags and stuff. Should be a pretty smooth flight. Obviously, as you can see right now, it is perfectly clear, sunny, and very warm here in Palma. So hopefully it's a relatively smooth flight up to Gatwick today. But without further ado, let's jump inside the cockpit here. So like I said, the IRSs are still in the align process. Oh, and as I say that, they finish up. Sweet. So let's do one thing real quick. Let's grab the altimeter, which I believe SimBrief should have for me somewhere. Let's see. Let's just scroll down a little bit here. Wind information. All right. Altimeter, sorry, QNH is 1015. Sorry, 1005. Autocorrects on that side. We're cruising at 34,000 feet today. We're just going to set this for now to there. We're not going to need an APU tonight. We're just going to go with an air starter because why not? Why waste fuel on APU if we're not even going to be pushing back? So we'll go ahead and do that. So we'll throw the beacon light on here. Everything else looks good. So let's go ahead and we can remove the baggage loaders as well as the air stairs, so the flight attendants can get everything ready to go, and the fuel truck can come off as well. Don't know why the PTU is going off right now, but anyway, let's get an air starter in here. It's gonna be nice and loud. Oh yeah, air starters, single air starters. I'll mess with the plane here. All right. So, there's a look at our departure, straight up, and then a left and loops ourselves around here, and then we're headed north up to Gatwick. So let's go ahead and turn the engine selector on. We're gonna go ahead and start engine number 1. Wait for ignition there. There it goes. Looks like I got one good engine. It's a quiet engine start there. Most of the planes started up here. So we can go ahead and get rid of the ground power and the air starter. That'll quiet things down for us, for sure. With one engine going, let's open our cross bleed valve here. This is a cross bleed start. So we're going to open that up. Give it a second. And we can go ahead and fire up the tube. number 2 to fire up here. There it goes. Alright, we got 2 good engines. FPS always goes down after engine start, no lie. So with that being said, let's float out flaps to 1. Sweet. Let's throw this back to normal. We can close our cross bleed valve. We're going to throw on our taxi lights here, and we are all set to begin our taxi. So park brake is released. We'll give it a little bit of power here. Tap the toe brakes. Wait, sorry, we forgot to move the chocks. There we go. Alright, now we're good. It's gonna be a left turn out of the gate here. Back on the center line here. We're going to take Lima X-Ray 2. Oh, sorry, Echo. Lima Echo 2. Merge on to, what is this? No. Need to perfect my taxiing skills a little bit in this thing. A little rough. Not going to lie. Let's get the sounds down for you so you can actually hear me. There we go, that's better. It's gonna get loud once this thing is flaring up. We are gonna do a toga takeoff today, so. We're gonna go on auto brakes max. And spoilers to the armed position. Gonna throw on our wing lights. Flight attendants, we are first in line for takeoff, so please take your seats for departure. Thank you. Gonna have some nice ortho on departure as well. Zoom level 16, I think, but it'll do. Trust me. Strobe lights can come on. Set it down to the end of the runway here. Let's get one more look at this. Okay, so wait, what is this? Oh. Alright, so it's right. Yeah, we're good. Let's change that back to our 10 nautical mile thing there so we can see that better. Let's make sure the cabin lights should be on dim there. Okay, there we go. And we'll throw on our takeoff lights, runway turn-off lights. Everything else looks good up here. Yep, cross V valve closed, seatbelt signs are on, everything's good. Down here, spoilers are on, flaps are out. Ignition start, close, auto brakes max. Alrighty guys. Let's get lined up and get out of here. Could have taken that, whatever. Put on our landing lights. Gonna make sure that we have the flight attendant sounds down all the way because they do something weird after takeoff that I don't like. They come through and do like a 10,000 foot announcement. It's a glitch with BSS. Alrighty, got full runway today, but we're still gonna go Toga. So
2-4 right.
Don't think I needed the whole runway, but I paid for the whole runway. We'll spool them up with the brakes.
On runway 24 right.
Let's get lined up. And we'll stop right about here. Alright. Let's start our clock. Stabilize them at 40%. Stable. Man Toga. Alright, airspeed's alive. $80 knots. There's V1 and rotate. There's a positive rate, gear up. See you later, sunny Palma. Hopefully Gatwick's somewhat sunny. Nice sounds too. Alright, we'll push the nose down a little bit. We'll go thrust climb. Put the flaps up. And we'll go ahead and engage autopilot 1. Runway turnoffs and nose lights are coming off as well. That's a nice view, ain't it? Alright, still looking good on the speed here, climbing nicely. Go ahead and put our spoilers back. There we go, auto brake's good. Alright guys, well, we are airborne. Not sure what the transition altitude is here. Not going to try to play the guessing game either. Do one more flyby. Alrighty guys, so that was actually a relatively smooth departure, I think. Let me know if you want me to make more videos like this in the future. Please make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on so you'll be notified when I do more live streams and or videos like these. But wish me luck on the rest of my way to Gatwick, and we will see you all soon. Thank you.